Mathilda with the with a okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda, and today this is the look I'll be creating. I used some purple, white and some red to create this sultry look, and I really love the outcome. I wasn't really planning on doing something so dramatic, but life just happened. So if you like this look you see, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also keep on watching. So I'm gonna go in with those two colors right there, and those will be my transition shade. I'm just tapping it first on my lid before I blend everything together. I didn't set my lids when I applied my primer, so it's kind of sticky, so you have to be careful if you do such a procedure so it doesn't ruin the eye look. So right now I'm just blending. Now I'm gonna go in with that red shade, and I'm going to be placing it deep into my crease. So I'm just placing the color and blending it as I go. I'm building up this color because it can get really pigmented quickly, so you want to build it in layers and blend in circular motions and also windshield wiper motions. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking my Tara lid primer and using it to cut my crease. You have to be very careful when you're doing this step to avoid any mistakes. But if you encounter any mistake, you can always go back to the first color you use to clean up any mistakes you make. I'm going in with that purple shade, and I'm going to place it very close to my lower lash line very carefully, not all over the lid. Then I'm going to go in with that white shade and place it with that small brush very carefully on the places I didn't put the purple eyeshadow. And after placing it, I'm going to use another brush and just blend the two colors together for a seamless finish. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my damp beauty blender to blend it all over my face. I'm blending my LA Girl Pro Concealer, which I use to highlight the bridge of my nose, under my eyes and my forehead. I'm going to set that concealer in place with my Zaron Face Definer, the lighter shade on the palette. I'm just going to set everywhere I highlighted. Now I'm just contouring with the darker shade, contouring my cheekbones and my forehead. I'm setting my entire face with my Milani compact powder. I'm using my fan brush to highlight my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose, and I'm just applying my lipstick right now. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Be sure to subscribe. I like this one. I want to do that intro stuff. Hey guys. Now, okay, I think I want to do it like this.